Alright, so today we're going to be looking at Wednesday, and we're looking at the last week. Let's look at road count from 1 through 10, and then we're going to complete lesson 3 handout. So let's count 1 through 10. So let's count, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, that's my dog, guys. Sorry. Alright, so number 1 says, how many paper clips long is this worm? So let's look for page 19, I believe. Yes, look for page 19, lesson 3. You can use a ruler. We want to measure this worm. Is it 2 paper clips long, 1, or 4? Answer. The best answer is whatever you get for number 1. On number 2, it says, how many worms are there? So let's count the worms. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Find number 3, Geronimo. So we have 1, 2, 3. Find number 3. Great job. Let's go to question number 3. Circle the ABA pattern. Remember, ABA pattern, you have 1, and then 1 that's different, and then 1's the same as 1, and then another one. So let's look at this one. It says A, B, A, B, A. Now let's go to the next one. Does this one sound like an ABA pattern? A, B, B, B. Circle your best answer. Good job. Let's do another worksheet. Look for worksheet number 20. It says make a set of 2 carrots in the circle. So you're going to make 2 carrots in the circle. Good job. Look at number 5. It says circle a symbol that means the same or equals. Let's review the symbols. We have the equal sign, which means the same. We have the multiply, which means times. You double it. Then you have the greater than or less than. Find the symbol that means the same or equals. Great job. Now, once you are done, take a picture and submit it for a grade. It is important that we get this picture. Good luck.